Welcome to this tutorial about how to navigate the PBS Teacher Planning Kit for the months of January through March. The PBS Teacher Planning Kits bundle PBS programming with lessons, materials, and other resources to help ease teacher planning. This is the third of 5 kits. The content of the kits is organized around a broadcast schedule, making it accessible to students without internet access. But many of the programs and resources highlighted in the kits are also available online outside of the broadcast time. The Kit Basics checklist provides information about how to use teacher planning kits. What's in the planning kit explains what you can find in each kit: special lessons and collections, elementary planning sheets, secondary planning sheets, and a linked list of professional learning opportunities. The Special Lessons and Collections page includes featured lessons about timely topics. You can see that the lessons, programming, and resources offered here focus on race and racial justice. The Elementary Educator Planning Sheet contains tables of weekly thematic bundles for students in grades pre-K through 5, organized by content area and grade. The theme for this week is the 5 senses, and the content focus is science. In the Watch column, you can find information about how to access the program on broadcast TV on the PBS Kids 24/7 channel. There are also videos and clips that can be accessed online. The Teach column connects the programming to lessons and other learning materials, while the Explore column provides even more resources that support the theme or topic. The Secondary Educator's Planning Sheet consists of tables of weekly programming for 6 through 12 educators. The content is organized by primary subject and target grades. You can see here that this lesson is for grades 6 through 12 English Language Arts and is built around the Great American Read. The table includes information about how you can watch the program on broadcast TV as well as online, materials to use to help you teach the lesson, and more resources students can explore to further their knowledge on the topic. The final section is the Professional Learning page, which includes links to blog posts, tutorials, webinars, and other forms of professional learning, arranged by audience, type, and topic, and accompanied by a description.